After that is done, you may see what it looks like right now. Let me add which directions. Right now it's still kind of wet, so that's the highlighted area that you see. All I do is take my 5-inch blade, do a couple of drags. So I go to the corners and I see which direction the lines are kind of going. And I try to go and match the same direction as these. And after this is done, if you want to as well, you can also use a sander and sand it if you leave it till last. Then you can basically sand it down as well. And that will also give you the final finished product look that you should have.